a Dole Whip. Got my ice cream.
Pineapple.
Hey, it's Dad Shu, and we are at the Wilderness Lodge in room 5025. Let's take a room tour. All right, there's our room number, 5025. It should be 2 queen beds and some other goodies. Let's go check it out. In the door. All right, walk right in first. There's the view you see from the hallway. There's the 2 queen beds, right? Something's going on out there. We'll check that out in a minute. We got these 2 amazing closets. Stuff up above. Some hangers. Stuff down below. Got 2 sides. Side A. Side B. There's a blanket up there. A pillow with a blanket. There's a secret closet right here. Safe. What's that? Handheld steamer. Well, that's fun. And some empty shelves. Boom. Got our Keurig machine and our ice bucket. In the drawer should be, yep, some coffee cups. Well, wow, real mugs. Ceramic and some plastic ones. Some glasses and some coffee accoutrements, including some tea there at the backside. Nice. And a plug. So I guess this could be an adjoining room. So if you had multiple family members, you could connect to each other. There's our TV and our drawers, our recycling trash area. There's a couple of chairs and a beautiful mirror that's very rustic looking, and a table within a table, right? So you got a table and another table, right? And then got the wonderful beds with some fun side, what you call them, not really side tables, are mounted to the wall with a plug, which is important. Just plug your stuff into. Oh, there's our friend. Say hi, Mickey. And there's the phone and another side little area here to put your stuff in, and a electrical outlet. And then another awesome bed with pillows. They're smaller pillows. I've never seen this size before, but they're kind of small, which is different. Just pack them all up. And then another sign with an outlet and a little side table right there. All right, last piece here. The thing you've been looking for is the Mickey towel. No, that's not what you're looking for. But there's the Mickey towel. Pretty signature-ish. If you've been to the resort before, you used to beg for towel animals, right? Kids would love to come back after a long day at the park and see a fun, cool pool animal. But in this case, it's cool. Let's check out our view. It's a full view room. Again, room 5025. Let's get out there. See if we can open this door. Yep. Let's get out there real quick. So we are right above Roaring Fork, which is the quick service. We just ate there. Mom Shu had the Western chicken strips, and I had the turkey sandwich. Both were delicious with a side of slaw and a brownie. So it's cool. There's our view. I actually love this view. The pool and the water and the geyser. Amazing. One thing to point out, one of our previous videos, we actually stayed in a 3-bedroom villa, and it is right over there on that top floor. So we're right across from that. Go check out that other video of a 3-bedroom villa. Hang on to this room number 5025. If you're a family of 2 or 4 or 3 and looking for a room that's less expensive but nice view of the hotel, I would choose this. And at the end, you can walk, if you walk out the back end, you're right by the boats. So this is amazing. What else? Anything else? I love the view. That's it. Go back in. And we will cut it off here. Anything else to go? Oh, forgot the most important thing. One last thing to do is in here. Right? So got double sink. I turn on some lights. I didn't turn those lights on. Double sink, mirror low, sink A with some soapies, sink B with some towels, some more towels, and some drawers and such to put your stuff in. Got a singular toilet, right? And a wonderful shower. It's a built-in shower with a glass door, which a lot of people like these days. So, have a nice bath with a nice soaker tub and a rain shower, kind of shower with a wand. Pretty good. And some hooks. Hooks are important. Hang up your swimsuits and some towel racks and a magical door. So you can close yourself off in a shower and still get ready with the sink. Oh look, soaps. Don't forget your soaps and some wonderful decorations. I think that's it for the room tour. And check out many of our other room tours throughout the parks. And again, I think this room is in, I'm trying to figure out what that number is. Usually do out of 10.
And there's a little table between the beds. It's got 2 sets of plugs. It's got a dresser or a nightstand. Let's see. That's for one light, 2 separate lights here. And then we've got some little friends. More hiding. And they do have a cooling fridge. It's not a regular refrigerator, it's called a cooling fridge. Little friends hiding throughout the room. So if you have a little one, they could do a search and find.
I'd say this is 8 out of 10. I like it a lot. I think you will too. Until next time, ciao for now, and thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Become a member.
Mickey, Minnie, and Stitch. I want to say thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.